Hello everyone, today I want to introduce this big one, CR4000 LED grow light. This one is a box style. Let's see its size. It has a width about 61 centimeters, height 41 centimeters, but the thickness is only 5 centimeters. So this one is a thin box style. This panel box is really big and has maximum 1040 watts. Here is the dimmer. At the same time, it's a switch. Here is the plug in and plug out. It supports daisy chain function. At the back side, you can see 4 fans to cool down the system. Here is the label. Let's read it. LED grow light 1000 watts. Model CR4000. Brand Vista. Rating power 1042 watts. Wattproof rating IP44. Input voltage 100 to 240 volts AC. Working frequency 50 to 60 Hz. Certificates including CE, FC, ROHS. In the front panel, we can see a lot of LED diodes, including UV and IR. In fact, there are 2,352 LED diodes in the front panel. Besides the row of LED diodes, there are a lot of holes in the panel. These holes are used to cool down the system. When the wind blows from the top, it will go out from the holes in the front panel. So this design keeps the light's working temperature always below 40 degrees. The high density LED diodes plus the 1000 power module, so it can create a lot of lights. That's why it's very bright for this panel. When we hang on it, it can cover an area of 5 by 5 feet. Although this panel box is so big, but its weight is only 5 kg, so it's very lightweight and the thin design. You can easily handle it as you wish. Let's plug in the power and have a look. Here is the plug-in. On left side, you can decision connect another lights. Don't see directly into the lights because it will blind your eyes. When the lights on, the fan will run automatically to cool down the system. The wind will blow from the back to the front. So, do you like this full spectrum LED grow light? Please comment to us.